Here we have a new 2022 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. And this one is a convertible in the 3LT trim level. Comes in that beautiful Arctic white with red stripes on black and red perforated leather interior. And that powertrain consists of a 6.2 liter naturally aspirated V8. Made it to an 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. And they get you 490 horsepower. So as you get to the front end here, we have our LED daytime running lights along with our LED headlamps. And then we have our 19-inch aluminum wheels along with our red brake calipers. With this one being a Z51. And here we have the controls for our memory seats, power windows, and then we can also control our top here and then our rear window here. Power folding mirrors and our power mirror controls there. Power door locks. And then we can open our rear trunk and front trunk by hitting these two buttons here. And of course, we get a Bose Performance Series sound system. And there's our power driver seat with power lumbar support. Let's go ahead and pop both those trunks. So there's the rear trunk space there. And then to shut it, you just go ahead and lightly push it down, and then it'll lock the rest by itself. And there's that beautiful back end with our LED tail lights. And there's our power passenger seat, excuse me, with power lumbar support. There's our front trunk space, pretty deep in there. But now we're gonna go ahead and hop in the driver's seat for a second. So there's our suede wrapped steering wheel there. You can also heat that by hitting this button. Toggle that on and off. And then to our radio, we have AM, FM, XM, along with Bluetooth audio, Spotify, and then Alexa. There's our navigation screen. You get a Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And we can also do the performance data recorder with the Z51. There's our backup camera there. There's our front curb camera along with our curb side cameras. And then here's our shifter. So you press P for park, pull up here for reverse, press down here for neutral, pull up here for drive, press down here, and you can manually shift using these paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. And then of course we have our traction control, and this one has the front lip lift, so we can lift up the front end a few inches to clear curbs. And we have our front camera, we can toggle that here if we're getting close to a parking spot. And then this knob here controls our drive mode. So we have My Mode, Tour, Sport, and then Track. Then we have our cup holders there. We have dual zone automatic climate controls, which are neatly displayed here. We can control all of that. Then we also have 3-stage heated and cooled seats. And then here we have our center console cubby space, which gives you access to the aux input, 2 USB ports, one being a USB-A, one being a USB-C, and then an SD card reader for that navigation. And then there we have a wireless charging pad. Rear camera mirror here. We can toggle that. It's kind of bright right now. And then to open the glove compartment, of course we can toggle that Z there, which will open up that exhaust. Cruise controls, favorites, toggle those, volume, toggle those, and then Bluetooth controls here. And then for our gauge cluster, we can change what we want to see. My favorite is this performance setup over here. We can time our 0 to 60, configure a lap timer, G-force, and then it's not flashing, it's just the camera, but that's the heads-up display there. And of course we can control what we see and all that and where it is using these 3 buttons here. And a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Headlamp controls, windshield wiper controls. And then if you want to take a look at what's under the hood, you just pull up a little bit, hold it, and then it's covered under there. So I'll go ahead and finish putting the top up so we can see how that looks. Take one quick walk around. And now we're gonna go ahead and take this 2022 Corvette 3LT Z51 Stingray out on the road for a test drive. Wow, this thing is just so quick. And really the ride quality is not that bad in this sport mode. But this thing just lays down the power, my gosh. Absolutely incredible. And I have a little experience driving Corvettes, so I kind of know how the traction control works and all of that. And it really just, if you just want to floor it for no reason, you have complete control of this car. And really that mid-engine setup helps with that a lot. so nice. We're gonna give it quite a bit of power getting on the interstate here. Here we go. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, the sound, and just, I was thrown back in the seat. Oh my goodness, that was crazy. Oh, unbelievable. And really, going down the interstate, I'm trying to keep the distance from this truck in front of me that's flinging mud, but doing 65 down the interstate, just a really nice ride. I wouldn't call it smooth, of course, this being a sports car, but it's not uncomfortable at all. And the seats really hold you into place. And I just love the feel of the steering wheel. I feel like I have complete control of this car. Oh, it sounds so great. I'm gonna test out the sound system real quick, just so you can see how that sounds. So really good bass, and it does feel like it's coming from the back, and I like that kind of sound acoustic there, and just really clear without piercing my eardrums. And you know, it's a Bose system, so you wouldn't expect anything less than great, but just still really impressed with the sound. Now when you paddle shift, just really quick shifts, unbelievable. Up and down. And then that 4-cylinder deactivation mode just happened there while I was cruising. Just a lot of fun. You can really put the power down in this car however you want to. Or if you're trying to save on fuel, however you don't want to. And this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2022 Corvette Stingray Convertible 3LT.